If you are looking for very simple, easy, but yet delicious and healthy salad, you are the right place. If today is the first time here, this is Lena and welcome. We do easy recipes here. So please, if you're interested, do not hesitate to subscribe or follow for more videos. The family really enjoy this and I am very sure you will love it as well. So to start with it, I have my lettuce here. I will just go ahead and remove it one by one and then wash it very well. Maybe something is hiding there, we don't know. So I'll remove it, wash it very well with your salt or vinegar. You are good to go. Okay, so when I'm done with everything, I'll be back and then show you. Thank you so much. Now I am done cutting everything and this is how it looks. After removing it, I washed it with my vinegar and then cut it this way. It is not big, it is not small, and this is how I cut it. The next ingredient is my carrot. I have scraped off the skin. Sometimes some people use the metal that we use to scratch silvers at home. That is not good. Okay, very careful. Some may stuck there and then you eat it. That is very dangerous. So please, you can use your knife or your potato peeler to scrape off the skin. After that, I went ahead to cut everything and that is what you are seeing there. It is not big, not small as well. Okay, very good. And as usual, I have washed that very well with my vinegar as well, and I've added my onions. So with the onion, when you wash it with your salt water, it removes the smell, and also it is good to wash it very well. Okay, yeah. Now the three ingredients, we've mixed them and that is what we have. I've added some tomatoes and this is where we've gotten to. My returning subscribers and followers, thank you so much for always having some time with me. I don't take it for granted and I'm very grateful. I'll go ahead and add my eggs. Ghana salad without eggs, it's not salad. Abi Bab. So we've added some eggs, and Ghana salad we always add our baked beans, and I've added that to my salad, and this is what we have. I sprinkled some small vinegar on top, and my husband taught me that. Okay, that is why I did that. And I've added some mayonnaise, and you can see it looks so delicious. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.